Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I am coming to you with not a sneak peek but an unboxing from PAM's Diamond Paintings. This is another piece of gorgeous artwork from my friend and yours, Sara Rose. So yeah, I'm going to waste no time. I've got it right here and I cannot wait for you to see it because it's gorgeous. Which way up we're going? It's that way, right. This is one that will suit anyone who is really into a mixture of colour blocking and some more confetti areas because it's got a solid black background. So as you'll see, all of this, all colour blocking. And then when we get over to this gorgeous little quacker, you can see we've got a lot more variety going on over there. Let me find something to just weigh that down with for a second. So this is what we've got. Let me see if I can, it gets a little bit better there, a little bit less glare. So yeah, this is a, what size is it? 70 by 60. I've got it in round. It's also available in square. It is 43 colours with 2 ABs, I think. I will check that in a moment. But yeah, I just love it. I'm going to zoom you in a bit so you can have a proper look. So obviously here is your very colour blocked area. And then if I move you over this way, you can see that we've got much more variety going on there to get the gorgeous detail in this ducky's face. So if you want to order this one, it is called Cherry Blossom Breeze. I love it so much. As soon as I saw that this was one that was coming up, I thought, I need to buy this. This needs to be mine, needs to be on my wall. I love it so much. So we've got the lovely ducky, and then we've got the cherry blossom over in the other corner there, and then the petals coming down in the breeze. It's just so lovely, and I think it's going to be a real nice mix, as I say, because we've got that lovely balance of bit of variety and then some nice colour blocked areas. So I think it's going to be great. Let's have a look at those colours. Starting off, let's just rearrange the camera a little bit. There we go. Right, we've got not one, but 2 big old bags of 310. So there we go. My hand for scale. 2 bags like that of 310. That's for our background. So that's going to be fun. I'm actually looking forward to it because I love a bit of colour blocking. And then for our other colours, right. So we've got lots of lovely neutrals for the ducky, and then we've got pops of colour for the blossom. And where are our ABs? Can I spot them? There's an AB. Is it just the one? I think it might be just one, which is 160. It's that lovely blue grey colour. And where are you going to be? Let's have a look. That is the number 3. So number 3, where are you going to be? Oh, just throughout the duck in his sort of grayer areas, like over here. Yeah, we're going to see him over here with that colour. That's going to be lovely. What's that? Oh, and there's another one, which is this lovely peachy colour. Where's that going? Is that going into the flowers? That is 3770. It is a diamond shape. Oh, that is going to go, I can see we've got a couple of diamonds that are going up into the lighter area around here for the ducky. And that's our 2. Yeah, so the duck's really going to stand out. It's going to be lovely. There is a little bit of the diamond, this diamond colour in some of the petals as well. So I think it's going to be great. As with all PAM canvases, they come with a really nice kit. I've already unboxed that bit of it, but you've seen a kit before, and I will link to my other PAM videos. So if you want to go and have a look at what her kits are like, you can check them out there. You also get stickers with all your symbols on that you can use in your storage, and they've also got a really nice big picture that you can cut out for your logbook. But you also get your little picture on here as well, which is just adorable. So yeah, I'm so happy, and I as with everything at the moment, I'm all booked up till the end of the year with canvases. Yeah, I don't know when I'm going to get to this, but I'm very much looking forward to it. PAM's canvases are great quality. They are a soft backed canvas. We've got serged and scalloped edges, poured glue. They are really lovely, and you get wonderful customer services as well. If you are ordering from PAM, it is worth remembering that it is a pre-order service. So whilst I have got you here and we are talking about PAM Diamond Painting, I also want to use this video as a little bit of a event announcement. So those of you that have been to my lives will already know about this, but if you haven't, in September, it is Pam's birthday and my birthday, and I am hosting an event with her, for her. I'm hosting it, but it's for her. And it's going to be called PAM Party. And so hashtag PAM Party, and you can take part with any canvas from PAM. That is all you need to do. So if you've already got one in your stash, feel free to dig it out and work on it in September. And if you want to get one, now is a great time to order so that it has arrived in time. Sara Rose, who is the artist for this canvas, has already said that she will be providing a piece of artwork as a prize for the event. I'm going to put together some prizes, and I think Pam's going to sort some prizes out as well, so that we can have a really nice celebration of small business and, you know, just of community. And I think it'll be a really nice way to celebrate our birthday months. So I will continue to plug the event, but this is your kind of on your marks, get set announcement for that. I hope that you will join me. If you would like to ask me more information about the event, do so down in the comments, or you can find me over on Facebook in the Crafty Coven group. And Pam has a group on Facebook as well, and I'm over there. So if you need to ask any questions, you can always pop them on there, and hopefully I will see them. Just tag me. So thank you for joining me today. Thank you to Sara Rose for providing such beautiful artwork, and for Pam for making these into wonderful diamond paintings. I can't wait. In fact, this may well have to be my September canvas because it's so lovely. But I have some gorgeous Pam canvases, so I may even have to just make myself a little wheel to pick, because I'm not sure I can decide myself. So thank you once again for joining me. Thank you to everybody that supports the channel, particularly those of you that do so over on Patreon and here as channel members. If anybody would like to join them, details are always down below, and it is just 99 pence per month, and I will send you some stickers. So until next time, stay crafty.